Human trafficking can occur anytime, in any community, and almost anywhere. It is a crime that often happens in plain sight, in plain view. And for too often, too many Virginians and Americans think it doesn't happen here, not in my community. Tragically, it does. So I'm so incredibly proud of the work that has happened, and what you've seen in front of you is what happens when both federal, state, and local law enforcement collaborate together to be a voice for the voiceless. As somebody who's a resident of this area, I was both horrified at this case, but also incredibly grateful for the incredible work done by Homeland Security Investigations Norfolk, the U.S. Attorney's Office, and our Hampton Roads Human Trafficking Task Force, which has worked together to help bring these traffickers to justice. I'm so grateful for our partners at the federal level, Jim Stitzel and Jess Aber, who've worked together to help protect Virginians from this insidious crime. It truly takes everyone at all levels, federal, state, and local, to combat and fight back against this type of crime. The reality is we sometimes think that human trafficking are simply the victims of sexual exploitation. And that is the majority, roughly 60% of all that are the victims of human trafficking or indeed being exploited sexually. But 40%, roughly 40% of those that are the victims of human trafficking are the victims of labor trafficking. They're individuals, as you have heard described, that take advantage of the most vulnerable, that they essentially force them under forced labor and deprive them of their very dignity and I would say their humanity.